recording.
And then she's not recording. Okay, good morning, people. Shit. Good evening, people. You have to speak louder or else.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll introduce myself first. My name is Tan Shu Yong. I'm from KC. And then let's have a brief introduction from everybody. Let's start by...
Yeah. Hi everybody, I'm Yap Sin Lin, you can call me Lin. I'm from KC2, College Chancellor, and I'm taking a BP TESOL, which is teaching English as a second language, and I'm from Penang. Yeah.
My name is Abdullah. You can call me Abdullah also. And I'm taking computer communication systems in Faculty of Engineering. And I'm from Libya. This is my first semester here in Libya.
First semester.
That's all.
How do you find VPN or Malaysia?
Okay. Okay, my name is Alia Nadira binti Suhaili. You can call me Alia. I'm from KPI, Bali School that is mine. I'm taking business admin, and I'm from Tengganu.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ramil bin Haidi. I'm as well from KC, College Chancellor, and I'm as well taking BP TESOL with the rest of the group, three of us. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Hi, my name is Nadila bin Hamza. I'm from Delhi. I'm from KPDI also. And I'm taking business admin. And I'm from Berlin.
Okay. So guys, as we know that in LAX we are supposed to produce 3 different comic strips within a time span of 6 weeks, right? So firstly, I would like to ask what skills or talents do you possess that can help in this thing? Like, are you able to draw, or do you have something, do you have ideas to contribute to the group, or do you have teams already thought out to contribute to this thing? So for myself, I have thought of a team, and then I don't think my drawing skills are that good, so I don't think I'm not suitable to draw the comics, I guess. What about you?
Yeah, I have ideas a lot, yeah, but I'm not very good in drawing, so maybe we should make a very simple one, like it's simple but more complicated than the only drawing, the bone structure. Yeah.
The matchstick people.
The stick figure.
The stick people.
So
For me, I'm not that good in drawing, but I can help for ideas or topics you want to draw about.
How about you guys? Okay.
So none of us is good in drawing that.
So you could draw.
Okay.
You can try to draw. Yes, we have an artist.
Okay, so Abdullah
She
and
waited for so long.
Alia can draw a bit.
The boss and then the assistant.
Yeah, both of you will draw.
Actually, he's just being humble, I think.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think you're.
maybe these people are sometimes very humble.
No,
And
sorry.
then she did mention that she could help and color the project. I think that would be as well as a good thing.
Yeah.
And I think I could come out with a template. You know, like some comic strip, they have a sort of template for their paging. I think I could do that. It's not going to be that hard. Yeah, so
Okay, so now we're going to have 2 artists in Abdullah and Alia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so with that decided, we should decide on the comic, the type of comic that we are going to produce, because there are a lot of there are different types of comics that are out there for us to try. In my opinion, I think we should, because since our drawing skills are not that good, I think we should stick with the minimalist kind of comic, but then it's simple but not like the stick people lah. And then it's not as complicated like Spider-Man or something. It's going to be something simple like Snoopy, dude. You guys know Snoopy?
Peanuts.
Peanuts. I think something like that is going to be easier, since it's easier to draw and it's not that complicated, and you can produce it in a shorter time frame. What about you guys?
What
Any ideas or
Is
suggestions?
it printed or one?
it's like the whole page. They would have 9 boxes in which we have to have 3 storylines, but then 1 theme.
Oh.
You guys
So,
are?
in 2 weeks, you need to make one comic strip.
Yes.
Yeah.
One comic strip consists of.
3 pamphlets.
Yes, exactly.
3 boxes. Comic box.
Really, I thought you just need to like submit like 3 panels at
Yeah, 3 panels is like
Different weeks, right?
3 panels. Yeah.
Yeah,
Depends
one
on-
comic strip will have 3 boxes.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 panels is like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
It's like 1, 2. There is boxes.
It's the same storyline lah.
It's
They are
if,
It's
uh,
going to be coming under one single theme lah.
for us or it's like
Everyone, yeah.
Everyone is going to do that.
The one that our instructor
Like
has
you're
taught
going, if you're
before.
going to draw Snoopy, then you're going to draw all 3 as Snoopy lah, not one Spider-Man, one Snoopy, and one.
I think that is
something
not a
else.
problem actually. That one is okay. It's just that the theme. Maybe
Yeah.
at some point we're talking about food. Then everything had to be about food because like this is food, this is like animals, this is like cars. So it won't match like, unless we are talking something about, that matters, including all of those 3 things. So you guys are the one who gonna go. Are you guys think you guys could take on this minimalist concept, or you think you could take it further up?
Or you guys want to draw something even better or more
it's
complicated?
okay. We just give them a concept and it's up to them
Yeah,
whether
yeah.
what they want to draw.
Are you guys okay with this, Abna?
It's not need to be a very marvelous drawing.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
not
yeah.
Marvel.
Just normal lah, just
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
normal drawing.
Because I guess they are not really judging
Yeah,
us on our
I-
drawing because they're
Yeah.
not art students.
I think it's based on the storyline, and as long as your drawing is understandable, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Picture have to suitable with the wood.
Yes. Of course, it has to be suitable with the
Like
world.
if you're talking about the tree, that has to be a tree, not a chair or something. It's just like logic lah. Yeah.
Okay, so we decided on our type of comic that we're going to draw. So what about the theme? My suggestion is we can try to do word pun. Word pun, do you guys know what it is?
No.
Isn't it like it's kind of a wordplay, right? In which we play with words to describe other things.
Yeah, we are going to like use words that have different meanings, and we try to utilize them that in a way that when you say the word, it's going to mean something else, but in a different context, it's going to sound a little bit funny lah.
For example, you could, if you learn English, you would learn about homophones, such word that sounds the same. For example, the word sea that is referring to the beach, and also sea referring to what you see. So we try to make something humorous out of that. I think, so you guys understand?
So that's for our first comic strip, right?
Yeah, first comic
Yeah,
strip.
this is just for our first comic strip. So, are you guys okay with the theme of the word pun, or do you guys have other suggestions or ideas that you can maybe present?
Well, I think I agree with word pun.
So, I think word pun is okay.
Yeah, word pun is okay because it's like it's connected to English, and then that is like what we are here for, and then it's fun. And then although word pun seems like a bit, amateurish, but then it really takes knowledge to understand those. So
Yeah,
those who read it to
because
actually.
one of the reasons I choose it is because word pun you are using a word with multiple meanings in it. So in a way you can, if you don't know the meaning, then you can learn more about the word and the different contexts that you can use the word, whether it's I don't know any context of it. I don't know.
So I guess that we all could agree on everything today, in which like we are doing the minimalist concept, who would do what, and what would we do next. So I think before we end this whole session, right, is there anything that you guys would like to brought up? Anything about anything, not only about the comic, maybe the place that we meet, or our timing, and yeah, just about anything.
Yeah, is it like for Abdullah? Is it convenient for you to come here actually, or you can?
Convenient for me, this place
It's okay. This place is
natural
nice.
place.
It's quiet, yeah. How about you, Alia? Do you have anything to say?
This is Alia.
Oh, sorry. I mean B. Yeah. First time. No, are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, KTDI is new.
KTDI is
Yes,
yeah.
new.
So maybe next time we should do in KTDI, or because it's not very far from KC as well. Would that be okay?
But it's okay lah. We'll meet here first, then we can decide on whether we're going to move to KTDI or just want to stay here lah, in the natural surrounding.
And then, what else? Do you have anything to say, Lynn?
Not for now. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess what we could do now is actually, I as a team member would to remind you guys to come up with the next topic because we have another 2 topics to talk about.
It's like,
Just about
yeah,
anything.
what about we just like divide like the next, how many comic strips do we have
We
to
have to
produce? 3 overall? So maybe we could like pair up or some sort, like maybe we come up with one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you could,
Yeah, one
you
theme.
can come up with several
Yeah.
lah, but then we'll take only one from you.
I
Is that
think
okay?
it's easier for every one of us to come up with at least one
One
topic,
Yeah,
one
yeah.
theme, so
So
that
every
it's good.
time,
So
yeah.
there will be at least 6 teams that we have, then we have to choose 3, right?
Yeah.
Since we already have 1, so we just have to choose number 2. So I think we should all come up with one of several ideas that's okay lah.
Yeah. So by the time of our 3rd meeting, I think we could come up with that already, right? Is there any argument on that? Would you?
Yeah, so maybe when are we having our next meeting?
Okay, I think we should decide now. Are you guys comfortable on doing at the same time, the same venue for the next meeting? Is it
Every
okay?
Thursday.
Every Thursday and then
Is
at this
Tuesday
place.
fine with you guys?
At this point.
Thursday is okay.
But Tuesday is not fine with us, right? Next week? Is it?
Excuse me?
Is it okay with us to have friends on Tuesday?
At this point, I don't think we have anything that happens prior to the meeting of next Thursday will be mentioned on the Facebook page.
Facebook.
Yeah, the Facebook group that we have.
Keep that
Yeah. And then if you guys suddenly have anything that come out, do tell at least like 2-3 hours before so that we can cancel the meeting. If you guys like go 1 hour before, it will be like a bit bad for the other person who already come along. Yeah, I think we all could rely on ourselves on that. So I guess I think that's all.
Okay, so for now we already decided on the type of comic that we're going to produce, the theme, and we decided that these 2 are going to be our artists. So I think that's all for now, okay? So thank you all for coming to this meeting, I guess.
And see you in the next
Thank you.